Welcome to the Enfagrow A+ Learn and Grow video series. Ready for another great activity? Learning to doodle is one of our favorite motor development activities designed for 15-month-old toddlers. This activity comes with many benefits. It helps boost hand-eye coordination. It teaches kids the pincer grasp and how to use both hands. It encourages communication and creativity. Plus, it also helps strengthen their self-confidence and the bond between you. Let's play. To begin, sit with your toddler on the floor or at a table. Place a large piece of paper between you with a few crayons. Then pause. If your toddler doesn't start drawing, show them how. Next, hand over the crayon and encourage your child to try. Show them how to doodle with both hands and reward every stroke. This is an activity that will encourage your child to use their hands and fingers, but best of all, it should help spark their creativity. Find more development boosting games at Enfagrow.ca.